Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. In this tutorial, I'll go through how to control building heights in 3ds Max using wireparameters. This tool can be very helpful for urban designers and architects to control several building heights at once or create a specific form or elevation. So let's start. To make a start first, I created a building using the box. So once you created your building, what we need to do is go to helpers and click on the expose transform, and then we need to connect that, so it needs to be linked. Just click on the linked and select both of them, and now go to align because we want the X, Y, and Z control. So click on the align and make sure all of the above are ticked. And we also need to have attractors. So again, we go to helpers and just select the dummy. Now click on the box. So select the box and go to animation and click on wire parameters. Click on the object box and we need the height. So we want to change the height, select the height and make sure it's linked to transform. And under the object expose transform or helper, we will select the distance. So over here we've got the height, we just need to connect. And now if we click on the dummy, it doesn't really do anything. So we need to select the expose and go to modify, and under the expose node click on the, so where it says none, we need to select the box. Sorry, let me just try that again. So click modify. So yeah, we need to select the box, and for the reference just untick the parent and we need to select the dummy that we've got. Make sure that's selected, and now if we move the dummy, we can see that the building is activated, so it's working now. And from here what we want to do is to have a block of buildings, select the box, make sure the transform, the expose transform is also selected, and go to tools and use the array. So over here, if it's, we need to select 2D and the count, yeah, 10 is okay. And the Y axis, I said 20, so I tried this before. So it's already there, 20. You can preview this to have a look if that's what we want. Yeah, it looks good. Now make sure if you've got instant selected or reference, make sure you change it to copy, because if it's not copy, then the actual height will not change. So make sure it's copy and just select OK. So now if I move the dummy, I should be able to change the building height. So as you can see, Yeah, not sure why my computer is a bit slow. So yeah, you can see that it's changing the heights if I move it. And yeah, that's basically it. So it can be very helpful to use. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.